Hi everyone, it's Josh and Charlotte again on another home tour. Today we're at Lennar Homes. We're in Euless and Lone Star Estates. We're gonna check out this multi-generation suite built by Lennar. This is the Hertitage model. Multi-generation suites are really popular. They've got a separate living quarters and separate entry and entrance from the main house for all your guests, your in-laws, or kids that are running away. So come along. Come along our journey with us today. It is sure to be a fun one, right, Charlotte? Right? What? Really? Then what? Are you gonna close the doors on Daddy? Are you closing the doors? Charlotte, what are you doing? Where'd you go? Where'd you go?
What was the saying?
Hi, Charlotte.
I am one in the road. That was unclear.
Yeah. A door. Oh, no, 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 not yet. No. Where are you going? Where are you going? Charlotte! Charlotte, do you like this house? Where are you going? Up the hill? You ready to go? Let's go! We can't go that way, we gotta get in the car. You are so silly. Where are you going? Into the woods? Are you going into the woods? Don't go into the woods, Charlotte. No, 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 no.